So guys, this is ठीक है. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So guys, कैसे हो आप सभी? I really hope you all are doing great. And guys, it's our day 3 of holiday in Goa. After spending 2 nights and 3 days in North Goa, now we are moving towards South Goa. So South Goa is famous for its beautiful and calm, peaceful beaches. So here we have reached our hotel. So guys, finally हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं अपने होटल and now it's time to explore this beautiful property of South Goa. So here you can see the huge and beautiful lobby area of the hotel. So just beside the lobby area, here you can see this beautiful water body, and on the right hand side there's a small play area for kids where you can see Ivy and Shaurya are enjoying so much. So this is such a beautiful play area that they have created for the kids. In the meanwhile, kids were playing here Ludo. Our rooms were also ready. All the formalities were completed and our luggage was all set to reach our room. So now let's proceed towards the room and have a quick look at our room. हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं अपने नेक्स्ट होटल साउथ गोवा में. वी आर इन फेयरफील्ड बाय मैरियट साउथ गोवा. गाइस, आपके साथ मैं एक क्विक रूम टूर शेयर कर देती हूँ बिकॉज हमने जस्ट चेक इन किया है और इसके बाद हम लोग लंच करने के लिए जाने वाले हैं. रूम स्टार्ट होता है और यहाँ पे So on the left hand side we get a huge cabinet for storing our luggage, a safe, few hangers, iron है and 3 drawers हैं जिनमें से एक drawer में hair dryer था. So this is the basic cabinet जो आपको मिल जाएगी यहाँ पे. इसके बाद यहाँ पे है एक मिनी फ्रिज, देन टी स्टेशन है, टी कॉफ़ी सैशेज जो बेसिक हर रूम में अवेलेबल रहते हैं. हेयर इज़ अ फुल लेंथ मिरर वेयर यू कैन सी एंड इसके साइड में राइट हैंड साइड में देयर इज़ अ डोर विच गोज़ टूवर्ड्स द वॉशरूम एरिया. देन बेसिक अमेनिटीज़ यहाँ पे जो हर वॉशरूम में होती हैं, हैंड वॉश, कंडीशनर, बॉडी वॉश, एवरीथिंग इज़ हियर. देन देयर इज़ अ ग्लास डोर और यहाँ पर है शावर एरिया. So there's a TV unit, आपने देख लिया, a basic study unit, and now let me show you the balcony area, the beautiful view that we are going to enjoy in the morning and in the evening. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं beautiful coconut trees and greenery बहुत ही beautifully maintain की गई है. I must say everything in this property is as per the Marriott standards. So now let me show you the beds. So here again we have booked the twin sharing basis beds which are of queen sizes, very spacious and comfortable also. You can see the room size is quite spacious. All the amenities in the room are just perfect. We booked this hotel through Make My Trip in February. So guys, रूम रेट्स फ्लक्चुएट होते रहते हैं, अप डाउन होते रहते हैं ड्यूरिंग ऑफ सीजन एंड ऑन सीजन. सो फरवरी में हमने ये रूम बुक किया था फॉर ₹13,000 पर नाइट इंक्लूसिव ऑफ आवर ब्रेकफास्ट. So guys, that was all about our room tour. I hope you liked the video. In case channel पे नए हैं then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So now we have reached for the lunch as it's lunchtime and lunch buffet is still on. So quickly we have reached, and now let me show you the whole spread. Everything is available: North Indian, South Indian, veg, non-veg, Chinese, continental. Everything is available, and huge desserts options were also here. So now let me have my lunch and then I will share my review about the food quality and the food taste. So guys, the taste of the food is really amazing. Maza aa gaya khana kha ke, and now it's time to have some desserts. See, so many dessert options are available. सो लंच करने के बाद हम अपने रूम्स की तरफ जाते हैं और राइट हैंड साइड पे हमें दिखा ये ब्यूटीफुल सा ग्रीन कवर एरिया, और यहाँ पे 2 स्विंग्स आप देख सकते हैं. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ आवर किड्स इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी, एंड हियर यू कैन सी आईवी इज़ enjoying a lot and Shore is also having a lot of fun. So Hotel Fairfield by Marriott South Goa is just a perfect combination for a perfect holiday with your family, luxury stay, amazing food and beautiful location. Yes. अच्छा नहीं मत करो. So guys, मजा आ रहा है? So now we have reached to see this beautiful sunset at Benalium Beach, which is just 10 minutes walk from our hotel, and this is one of the most beautiful beaches of South Goa, one of the most cleanest beaches of South Goa. सो ये ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट एंजॉय करने के बाद मैं आपको लेके चलूँगी वन ऑफ द मोस्ट परफेक्ट सन डाउनर कैफेज इन साउथ गोवा, विच इज़ दी सर्दर्न डेक, एंड इट्स जस्ट बिहाइंड अस. सो लेट्स एंजॉय दिस ब्यूटीफुल सनसेट, एंड इसके बाद हम चलेंगे द सर्दर्न डेक. This beautiful place has a chilled out vibe with very good live music. It's a must visit for all those who are seeking both a sea view and an excellent cuisine. Dining at Southern Deck was an amazing and memorable experience for all of us. As you can see, the shack is almost completely full, so I would recommend you that you book your seats in advance so that you can enjoy the ocean view with the dining. So now we have reached for our breakfast, and as expected, as per the Marriott standards, the breakfast buffet was really lavish, and the huge spread of North Indian, South Indian, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, continental and whatnot. So guys, this is the indoor restaurant area. There's also an outdoor area where you can enjoy your meals with fresh air. So I'm going to take you outside with me, so stay tuned. I hope you're liking the video. In case channel pe naye hai, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So this is the outdoor area. Here you can enjoy your breakfast with greenery and with the fresh air. And all the staff members are so polite and so caring about you that they keep on asking that was everything fine, is there an issue with the food, or they keep asking if anything special is required for the kids. So they are so sweet and so polite, and really very nice staff.
सर ये ना हमारा बहुत बड़ा टावर बनेगा, हमारा टावर।
So this is the beautiful family pool of this property, and there is a pool bar also. Let me zoom in and show you. This is the pool bar. So from the pool bar you can enjoy some drinks with some music and have a great time with your kids, with your family or friends. The pool has been maintained very well. Everything is in order. There are few rides the kids can enjoy, like my son and my daughter are enjoying right now. So we had a really wonderful stay experience at this beautiful property. So now guys, it's time to say bye bye to this beautiful property as it's our checkout time. But before leaving this property, I would like to tell you all that this property is really very well designed with lovely pool, green cover, lot of activities for kids, and it's very close to the beach, so you can consider it for your next holiday for sure. So I'll be ending this vlog here only, and now I'm going to explore another beautiful property of South Goa. So stay tuned for more updates, and I really hope you liked this vlog and you got some information about South Goa. So let me know in the comment section. I'll see you all very soon. Until then, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell icon. Thank you so much once again. Bye.